Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Professor Hassan and you are watching my channel Professor Hassan Hamayu. It is lecture number 37 of Basic Statistics course and today's lecture is a special gift for you. In today's lecture, we will discuss 4 important numerical questions and 11 important theoretical questions which are important for all the written test of statistics. Before starting today's lecture, I request everyone subscribe to my channel, like and share my channel and click the bell icon for the notifications of the next videos. Let's start. Question number 1 is the rank correlation between the marks in statistics and mathematics obtained by a group of students is 0.8. It is RS, rank correlation coefficient, if sum of squares of difference in ranks is given to be 33, that is summation d square, and the number of students in the group is small n. Our requirement. We are to find small n when r is given and summation d square is also given. We know the formula of RS, that is 1 minus 6 summation d square over n into n square minus 1. RS is given, that is 0.8 is equal to 1 minus 6 into 33 over n into n square minus 1. 0.8 is equal to 1 minus 8, 3 6 is the 18, 8 1 carry 198 over n into n square minus 1. Now I will shift that portion on the left side. 198 over n into n square minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 0.8. 198 over n into n square minus 1 is equal to 0.2. 198 divided by 0.2 is equal to n into n square minus 1. If you divide them, what will be the answer? 1980 over 2 is equal to n into n square minus 1. 2 9s are 18, 2 9s are 18, 0, 990. Now 990 is equal to n into n square minus 1. 990 is equal to n into, that is n plus 1 into n minus 1. 990 can be written as 11 into 10 into 9 is equal to n plus 1 into n minus 1. If you just compare them, then n will be equal to 10. N is equal to 10 will be the correct option in the exam. A very important question. Now question number 2 is, what is the Spearman's rank correlation coefficient? We are to find R when the ranks of the two series are 1, 2, 3 and 3, 1, 2. Just I will have to make x and y. 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2. Find out the difference, x minus y. That will be 1 minus 3 is minus 2. 1 and 1. Find out d square. 4, 1, 1. Now we will have to put in the formula. 1 minus 6 summation d square over n into n square minus 1. 1 minus 6 into summation d square is 6. How many values are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 into 3 square is 9. 9 minus 1, 8. 1 minus 36 over 24. 6 6 are 6 4 are 1 minus 3 by 2. 2 will be LCM. 2 minus 3 minus 1 by 2 will be the correct option in the exam. A very important question. Now question number 3. Let the rank of n individuals be 1, 2, up to so on n and n, n minus 1 up to so on till 1 respectively. Then the rank correlation we are to find RS. Dear students, just consider, just you will have to look at the data. These are the values 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on till n, and just you are coming in the decreasing order, the same number of values you have, n minus 1 up to so on till 1. Just suppose I have 3 numbers, x 1, 2, 3, y 3, 2, 1. I have just taken the example from this. There are n values, but I have taken 3 values. find out the d. X minus y, 1 minus 3 is minus 2, 0, 2. Find out the d square, 4, 0, 4. 8 will be, just put the values, 1 minus 6 summation d square over n into n square minus 1. 1 minus 6 into 8 over how many values I have taken? 3. 3 into 8. These will be cancelled. Minus 1 will be the correct option in the exam. If you take 4 values of x, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4 values of y, 4, 3, 2, 1, answer will be same. A very technical question. Minus 1 will be the correct option in the exam. Now question number 4 I will discuss with you. That is the last numerical question of today's lecture. If the sum of squares of differences between 10 ranks, question number 4, there are 10 ranks, n is 10. The sum of square of differences is given, that is 33, and we have to find the rank correlation. Just put the values, 1 minus 6 summation d square over n into n square minus 1, 1 minus 6 into 33 over 10 into 10 square is 100 minus 1, 99, 1 minus 1, 98 over 10 into 99, 99 ones are 99, 2s are 2 ones are 2 5s are 1 by 1 minus 1 over 5. 5 will be the LCM. 5 minus 1, 4 by 5. It means 0.8 is the correct option in the exam. R is 0.8. Now I will discuss theoretical multiple choice questions with you. Question number 5. The statistical test used to test the regression coefficient is A. Normal, incorrect, B. chi-square, incorrect, C. F, incorrect, T is the correct option, which is used to test the slope, the regression coefficient. Question number 6. Correlation between x1 on one side and x2, x3 on the other side is called A. Partial correlation, incorrect, B. Multiple correlation, incorrect, C. Ordinary correlation, incorrect, D. Association. When we have x1 on one side and x2, x3 on the other side, then the correlation between them will be association, a very important one. Question number 7. If the ratio of change between two sets of variables is the same, then it is called A. Linear correlation, B. Non-linear correlation, C. Negative correlation, D. Curve linear correlation. Linear correlation is the correct option. Question number 8. If the regression coefficient of y on x is byx, then the regression coefficient of cy on x is c multiplied by y. We have learnt in the last lecture, regression coefficient is independent of origin. When we add or subtract the value, the constant from x and y, that will not be affected. But if you multiply a constant by y, then the new regression coefficient will be a very important cbyx. That will be the correct option in the exam. Question number 9. If the regression line of y on x is y is equal to a plus bx, then b is, the correct option is, we know byx is equal to sigma y over sigma x into r. That is the correct option in the exam. Question number 10. If x minus x bar is equal to, question number 10 is x minus x bar is equal to b into y minus y bar, then b is called A. Correlation, incorrect, B. Slope, C. Regression coefficient, D. Both B and C. Yes, we know B is called slope as well as regression coefficient. It means B and C are correct options. Question number 11. In simple linear regression, the coefficient of correlation R and the least square estimate B1 of the population slope beta 1 A must be equal, incorrect, R and B are not equal, B are not related, incorrect, C must have the same sign. Yes, we have learnt in many lectures, R and B have the same sign. Keep in mind, that is the correct option. Question number 12. The point estimate of the variance of the error term in a regression model is, A option is B naught, B option is B1, C option is SSE, D option is MSE. We know it is mean square error. D is the correct option. Question number 13. if x and y are independent, the value of the regression coefficient b yx is equal to, very important, a 1, incorrect, b infinity, incorrect, c any, d 0. When x and y are independent, they are not related with each other, then b is equal to 0, a very important one. Then r is also equal to 0, there is no correlation between them, b and r are, then they are equal. When x and y are independent, 0 is the correct option. Question number 14, both the regression lines of x on y and y on x are a always parallel to each other. Parallel means this much, they are not touching each other. B never intersect, C always perpendicular, D intersect each other. Yes, they intersect each other, that is the correct option. Question number 15, the last question of today's lecture. The point that lies on both the lines of regression for a bivariate distribution, A 0, 0, B R1, R2, C sigma x, sigma y, D is the correct option. We know x bar and y bar, that is the common point, a very important question. Assalamu alaikum.